Let's be honest, you wake up thinking you have the whole day to get things done, homework, self-care, hobbies, chores, everything. But then suddenly it's night and you're thinking, what did I even do today? And it's not because you're lazy, it's just that your day didn't really have a clear plan. So in this video, I'm going to show you simple ways to actually get things done. Let's get into it. Pick your top 3 tasks. Okay, let's start with something that can literally change how your whole day feels. Instead of waking up and thinking, I have so many things to do, you just pick your top 3 tasks for the day. It could be homework, cleaning your room, finishing a project, helping at home, or even something for your hobby or self-care. Just 3 things. Because when you have a long list, your brain gets confused and you end up doing nothing properly. But when you only have 3 clear things, your mind feels calm, focused, and like, okay, I can actually do this. And the funny part is, once you finish those 3 things, your day already feels successful, even if you do nothing else after that. You stop feeling behind and start feeling in control. Stop waiting to feel motivated. Let's talk about something we all do. Waiting to feel motivated or waiting for the perfect mood. Like, I'll clean my room later, or I'll start tomorrow. But if you've ever done that, you already know the perfect moment never really comes. You can wait all day and still feel the same. The truth is, you don't feel ready first. You feel ready after you start. Motivation comes after starting the task, not before. So instead of waiting, just do something small, like organize your desk, open your school bag, reply to 1 email, read a page, or just sit and start for 5 minutes. That's it. Because once you start, your brain stops fighting you. And suddenly, things don't feel as hard as they did in your head. Use time blocks. Now, let's make your day less messy. Because most of the time, the problem is not that you're not doing things, it's that your day has no structure. So you end up scrolling, cleaning randomly, studying a bit, eating, then forgetting what you were even doing. So instead, give your day simple time blocks. Like from 4 to 5, I'll clean or study. From 5 to 5:30, I'll rest. From 6 to 7, I'll do homework or work on something. And this doesn't need to be strict or stressful. It just gives your brain a plan. Because when you don't have a plan, you waste so much time just deciding what to do next. Even rest feels better when you planned it. You don't feel guilty watching a show or resting because you already decided it was your break time. Stop trying to do everything perfectly. Okay, this one is really important. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they want everything to be perfect. Like if it's not perfect cleaning, perfect routine, perfect notes, perfect timing, they just don't start. But real life is not perfect at all. So instead of waiting for the perfect version, just do the simple version. Your room doesn't need to be Instagram clean. It just needs to be a bit organized. Your work doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be done. Even small effort counts. Because done always beats perfect, especially when you're trying to build consistency in real life, instead of waiting for the perfect mood that never comes. Make a realistic to-do list. Let's fix something that causes a lot of stress. Long to-do lists. Like when you write 10 to 15 things, but you only have energy for 3 to 4, and then you feel like you failed the whole day. But that's not true at all. The problem is not you, it's the list. So instead of overloading yourself, you make a list that matches your real energy. Ask yourself, what can I actually finish today without feeling tired or stressed? Maybe it's homework, everything, shower, cleaning your space, doing a small workout, or finishing 1 task at home. And here's the best part. When your list is small and realistic, you actually finish it, and that makes you feel more productive instead of guilty. Plan your week. If you only plan your day, every day feels urgent and stressful. But when you plan your week, everything becomes calmer. You start seeing the bigger picture. Like maybe Monday is busy with school, Tuesday is lighter, Wednesday you have more free time, and weekends are for catching up or resting. And here's something really important. Not every day is the same. Some days you are busy, some days you are free, and some days you're just tired. So instead of forcing the same routine every day, you schedule your tasks based on your free days. Like doing heavier tasks on days you have more time and lighter tasks on busy days. Once you do this, you stop feeling like you're always behind, and your week starts to feel balanced instead of stressful. Consistency over intensity. Let's talk about something people get wrong all the time. They try to do everything in one day. Like one day we decide, I'm going to fix my whole life, and suddenly we clean, organize, and study everything and try to become super productive all at once. But then the next day we're exhausted and do nothing. That's why consistency is so much more powerful. Doing a little every day is what actually builds real change. Like studying for a short time daily, cleaning a little each day, or doing small habits regularly. And the best part is, consistency feels boring at first, but later it's what makes you feel like you finally have your life together. Choose quality over quantity. Here's something important. Doing more doesn't mean doing better. You can sit for hours doing things but still not feel productive. Or you can do one thing properly and actually feel done. Like one focused cleaning session is better than cleaning half your room while scrolling. Or one focused study session is better than 3 distracted ones. So instead of doing many things at once, try doing fewer things properly. Put your phone away, focus for a short time, and actually be present. Because quality always gives better results than quantity. Plan tomorrow, tonight. And finally, let's make your mornings easier. Before you sleep, just take a minute or two and think about tomorrow. What are the 2 or 3 important things I need to do? That's it. Not a long list, just simple things. Because when you wake up without a plan, you waste time thinking and feeling confused. But when you already know your tasks, your day starts smoothly. Even simple things like clean my bag, prepare for my test, or work on a new skill becomes easier when they're already decided. And that's it. Start small. Pick your top tasks, stop overthinking every little thing, and just focus on doing what matters today instead of trying to fix your whole life in one day. Because the truth is, most people don't fall behind because they're lazy. They fall behind because they're overwhelmed. And if you're watching this feeling like your life is a bit messy right now, that's okay. You're not behind. You're just in the process of figuring things out. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.